Ito pa rin talaga ang pinakamabenta sa aming unit pagka ang hanap ng client ay single attached unit na may malaking lote, along highway at malapit lang sa Daang Hari Extension at Kala. May RFO units tayo na 5% lang ang down payment, 6 months to pay with 100 to 200,000 discount at malilipatan mo agad at syempre pre-selling units na may malaking discount din. If yan nga din ang hanap mo, for sure pasok na pasok ka kay Amayascapes General Trias here in Cavite. Under pa to ng Ayala kaya alam nating trusted ang brand. Hi, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido for another house tour, and for today, this single home 60 nga ang ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ang ganda ng unit na to kasi open space layout tayo at ang minimum lot area is 100 square meters. Floor area is 60 square meters kaya naman ang laki ng space mo for future home renovation. May 2 toilet and bath to, 3 bedrooms provision at fully customizable ang unit kasi semi-complete finish ang deliverable, which is one of the reason kung bakit naggugustuhan to ng mga buyers natin. Through bank financing lang to available. And guess what? For as low as 30 to 35,000 monthly amortization, pwede ka nang magkaroon ng sariling single home 60 here in Amayascapes. At syempre, kami rin na mag-a-assist sa'yo for your home loan processing kaya hassle-free din ang transaction. And you heard it right, may available tayong RFO units na 6 months to pila ang DP kaya kung nagmamadali ka, perfect sa'yo si Amaya. Meron pa yung 100 to 200,000 discount ha, at kung pre-selling naman ang target mo, meron din tayong inventory for that. And ang good news for the month of July, extended ang promo natin na 10% discount on selling price. Kaya wag mo nang palagpasin kasi as much as 400 to 500 ang madi-discount mo. Complete ang amenities natin dito, exclusive ang subdivision at napakahigpit ng security kaya mapapanatag ka para sa safety ng family mo. Want to know why mabenta si Amayascapes? Tara, mag-tripping na tayo. Link in bio or call or message us in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number. See you soon at paalam!